Level 1.
Wee.
Yes! Yes!
Level 2 nuggets.
Look how cute he is.
Flour, eggs, breadcrumbs.
The f was that for?
Level 3 nuggets. It's Jack the chicken.
It's time to go, Jack.
A little gold dust.
Your poop's gonna be gold, Dobby.
Just how I like it.